इंडिया में जितने भी OTT प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं, अमेज़न, नेटफ्लिक्स, हॉटस्टार, इनके ओनर्स कौन हैं और वो कौन से ईयर में स्टार्ट हुए और वो कितनी लैंग्वेज में अवेलेबल है, इसके बारे में बताने जा रहा हूँ। वीडियो को एंड तक देखना, आपको नया इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगा। Sony Live on ZEE5. In December 2021, Sony and Zee merged and announced plans to merge their OTT platforms. OTT services launched on Amazon Prime Video channels. Akron TV owner RLG Entertainment 2011 to present. Languages English. AMC Plus. AMC Networks 2020 to at present English. Shorts TV. Shorts International Limited 2006 at present available in English language. A double NXT. Kaustav DreamWorks 2019 to at present Odia, Bengali, Hindi. Adda Times, Surinder Films 2016 to at present Bengali. AHA, AHA Media and Broadcasting Private Limited 2020 to at present Telugu, Tamil. ALT Balaji, Balaji Telefilms 2007 present Bhojpuri, Hindi, Tamil. Amazon Prime Video, Amazon 2006 to at present Marathi, English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada, Odia, Punjabi, Gujarati. Apple TV Plus, Apple Inc. 2019 to at present English, Hindi. REU Digital 2015 to at present Hindi, English. Asianet Mobile TV, Asianet Satellite Communications 2015 to at present Malayalam, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Hindi. Bigflix Reliance Entertainment 2008 to 2022. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Bengali, Marathi. India's first movie on demand service. Crunchyroll Sony 2006 to at present English, Chinese, Arabic, Hindi, Castilian, Italian, Japanese, Spanish, Portuguese, German, French and Russian. Discovery Plus, Warner Brothers Discovery 2022 at present Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali and Marathi. Disney Plus Hotstar, Star India, The Walt Disney Company India 2015 to present Hindi, English, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, Malayalam, Bengali, Kannada, Odia. India's most subscribed OTT platform. Ditto TV, Zee Entertainment Enterprises 2012 to 2018. English, Hindi, Tamil, Kannada, Telugu, Malayalam, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi and Bengali. Dissolved and integrated into ZEE5. Dangal Play, Entertain Television Network 2022 to at present Hindi, Bhojpuri, Bengali, only for entertainment content. Eros Now, Eros International 2015 to at present Hindi, Bengali, Marathi, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi. Titled as Best OTT Platform of the Year 2019 at the British Asian Media Awards. ETV Win, ETV Network 2019 to present Telugu, Hayu. NBC Universal 2016 to at present English. Ojai, Sri Venkatesh Films 2017 to at present Bengali, Bhojpuri, Hindi, Bengali content. Hope, Sony Pictures, Warner Brothers and Singtel 2015 to 2020. English, dissolved in 2020. Hungama Play, Hungama Digital Media Entertainment 2015 to at present Bhojpuri, Hindi, English, Tamil, Telugu. Jio TV, Jio Platforms 2016 to at present Assami, Bengali, Bhojpuri, English, French, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu. Only available for Jio subscribers. Jio Cinema, Jio platform, 2016 to present. English, Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada, Odia, Punjabi, Gujarati. Now available to all irrespective of network. Kancha Lanka, Akshay Parija, 2021 to present. Odia. Click Angle Television Private Limited, 2022 at present. Bengali content. Lionsgate Play, Lionsgate 2022 at present. English, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Kannada, Malayalam. MX Player, Times Internet, 2018 to at present. Bhojpuri, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada, Punjabi, Odia, Gujarati, English. Manorama Max, Malayalam, Manorama TV Limited, 2019 to at present. Malayalam content. Movie Inc. 2019 to at present. English, Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada. Netflix Inc. 2015 to at present. English, Hindi, Tamil, Marathi, Telugu, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada. Neri Media OPC Private Limited, 2022 at present. Assami, Hindi, Bengali. Boho Gujarati, 2021 to at present. Gujarati content. Planet Marathi, 2021 to at present. Marathi content. QB Independent, 2018 to 2020. English. Dissolved, 2020. Shimaru Entertainment, 2019 to at present. Hindi, Marathi, Tamil, Gujarati. Sony Live, Kaivar Max Entertainment, 2013 to at present. Hindi, Telugu, English, Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada, Punjabi. Spool Independent, 2012 at present. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, English. TVF Play, Contagious Online Media Network Private Limited, 2015 to present. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. The Plant, Drama Shop Media Private Limited, 2020 to present. Hindi and English. Sun NXT, Sun Group, 2017 to present. Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali and Marathi. Tarang Plus, Odisha Television Network, 2019 to present. Odia. Yellow App, 2018 to present. Hindi. Wiki Rakuten, 2010 to at present. English Web and Mobile. View AK Television Entertainment, 2015 to 21. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. Stopped its services in India in 2021. Woot Viacom 80, 2016 to 2023. English, Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada, Odia, Punjabi, Gujarati. Much with Jio Cinema. Wooclip BCCW, 2008 to present. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu. Yap TV, 2007 to at present. Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Kannada. C5 Zee Entertainment Enterprises, 2018 to at present. Bhojpuri, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Bengali, Malayalam, Kannada, Punjabi, Odia, Gujarati, English.